Racer has been building highly specialized machines for over 33 years. But as we are about to see, in a matter of months and during a pandemic no less, Racer has begun to change the course of their business.
And how Racer truly wants to leverage the competitive advantage of that digital twin in their entire machine development.
And Rajesh, I agree. Alex and the Racer team is really embracing the Sinumerik One. The digital experience really enables them for a more creative and productive engineering process.
And there you hit the nail right on the head. It's about being more creative with the tools of digitalization that are posted at your disposal. And this is something that Racer is doing uniquely in terms of really coming up with new machine designs that will actually help them to bring their machines more cost competitively and much faster to the market.
I agree. It's very clear that they're strengthening their position as a high-end machine tool builder. And at the end, their customers will win and so will Racer.
It's all about speed and productivity when it comes to machine tools.
Absolutely.